before we get into the riding of the 2020 Roadmaster, which I'm going to say all this again, so it's going to be a repeat. But what I wanted to stop and focus on is a few concerns people have had that I've noticed online, things with the new Roadmaster Darkhorse that they have an issue with. Now, one of the things is, I believe, heated seat, heated grips, things that come on the regular Roadmaster that you have to add to the Darkhorse. And that's the thing. Most people are just saying, oh, they don't have it. Well, you got to go through the steps. You could change the seat if you want a more comfortable seat. They designed the Darkhorse Roadmaster to be more fun and performance, like aggressive. So the passenger has the smaller Rogue seat, which is still a good seat. But if you're going to put some serious miles on, the Roadmaster couch, like, that's the seat to do that on. And you can see that this one was just more aggressive. Like, it still has the trunk, those options there. And I expressed my concerns with a few things that they've done. But the seat, to me, I like the Rogue seat better. It's more, it holds me in better. It's still very comfortable. I would imagine both of them you can put some miles on. I'm not a passenger, so I don't know about the rear. So I'd imagine the other seat is more comfortable for the passenger. I don't know. I've had Nikki on Bombshell Biker on the back of a regular Chieftain with a Rogue seat and a sissy bar, but not on the Darkhorse. So that's steps that I haven't gone through. But the Darkhorse Roadmaster does have foot pegs instead of mini floorboards, which the mini floorboards are definitely more comfortable for your feet and leg position. Some people do like to peg more. Me, like if I'm going long distance, of course I'm going to want the floorboards. You guys have seen, I did that on Nikki's bike, and I thought it was a really good option. But just wanted to address those things. And guys, the stuff is out there. There's plenty of things you can do to move these around, and the Roadmaster is still out there. This isn't getting rid of it. They still have the terrain line. You know, just it's one of the, it's a dance, and we gotta figure out each other and get there. And you know, that's just one of those things. They saw people wanting more of an aggressive issue, so they kind of did that, and they kept the normal Roadmaster. So best of both worlds. But apparently there's people who want the Darkhorse and want those other options, and now it's an add-on. This is the way the cookie crumbles, guys. Like, these guys are on top of it, and they're doing this, and they're hearing this, and they're hearing that. The cool thing with motorcycles is not every single one should be the same. My bobber sure the hell doesn't look like any other bobbers out there really anymore. I've changed it. I've done a lot. You know, at one point, me and Meatball were looking the same. Now we look completely different. It's motorcycles. Make them unique. Make them your own. And I think this is a fun way to step into that. A few things that do need to be changed on the Darkhorse, but let's get into the video. Thanks for watching, you guys, and here's me.
What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another adventure with the Bearded Bobber. And today we are on a new 2020 Roadmaster Darkhorse in the Ruby Smoke. Now this is stage 1, so it's got the exhaust, it's got the mid-risers, it's got a bunch of things done to it, and I'm super comfortable. Doesn't mean I'm super happy overall with the looks of the bike. I like the bike. The bike's great. It's a Darkhorse, so what's up with this chrome? Oh man. And then nitpicking, you know, you can see little wires because they put this performance Rogue seat on here versus the big super comfy couch seat, but that's just nitpicking. Overall, the bike's super comfortable. I love sitting in here. I love these risers. It's got this curved windshield. Is exactly what I would do to mine. It's bitching. It's got plenty of room. Like, this is the bike to take across country right here. This or, I mean, the normal Roadmaster, either one. My seat, my ass feels great, but... And that new 116, ooh, buddy. She's bitching. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. Getting off the freeway right here. We're on the demo ride, and got some new riders here behind us, and on the Springfield Darkhorse, and got me and JR kind of going slow, following them through, where the rest of the group's up ahead of us. But we're going to take this bike through some curves here and, you know, just see how she feels. We're in standard mode, so. It's time to put it into sport mode. Bop, bop. Oh yeah, definitely a difference. I love having the ride modes. I would have to have these as for a daily use. I like having them a lot. Let's see. Not as bouncy as stage 2 or anything like that, but feels great. Of course, it's got the better audio. Let's check that out. Oh man, it's not even all the way up. Sounds great. There's a lot of cool shit with this bike. They've redone some of the Road Command 2. Of course, this is a demo ride, so I don't have time to sit here and do that with you guys, and it's not safe for me while I'm on the ride. But I'm really liking it. I like the looks. Like I said, a couple little things that could be better. Especially, whoa, shit. People, man. People could be better too. But it handles fantastically. So did the regular Roadmaster with the other fairing. There was no differences there, but look at, I mean, just handles so smoothly in these turns. But yeah, I mean, it's nice having that sport mode right there for you. And you know, it gives you that motion, and you want to go carve up some nice long curves with this. Great. If not, fuck, put it in standard or put it in touring when you're on the long trips. It's bitching either way. All right, you guys. Well, I'm gonna get out of here. It's all saying the same shit. You know, 2020 has brought us some really good shit, and this 116 is just like butter, just smooth. All right, stay safe, you guys. Stay classy.